شرکت بررسی تامین کننده تجهیزات شبکه با بهترین قیمت و ارائه دهنده خدمات با بالاترین کیفیت.
In the previous videos, we looked at the FortiGate logging and sending logs data from a FortiGate to a FortiAnalyzer. In this video, we will focus on the FortiAnalyzer reporting functionality. We will cover creating reports, using charts, datasets, and macros, report optimization, and additional report settings. FortiAnalyzer reports are generated using index logs in the SQL database. Archived logs are not available for reporting. FortiAnalyzer includes a set of predefined templates, charts, datasets, and macros that can be used for generating reports. There are two options of creating a new report. The first option is to use predefined reports from the templates library. Predefined reports are quite useful to generate reports directly with minimum setting configurations. You can view a sample of each of the reports under the Preview column. Another way is to create a new report from scratch. Go to All Reports and click on Create New. Provide a name for your report. Then open the editor by clicking on the Layout tab. We are going to show how to add common elements such as a title, image, macro, and a graph. After you finish adding all the elements, click to apply changes and go back to All Reports. Now we are going to generate a new report. In order to run a report directly with no changes, click Run. The pop-up message will indicate that the report is currently running. You can also customize report settings and layout before running a report. Select the report and click Edit. Here you can define report time period, specify devices, apply filters and schedules, enable notifications through email server FTP, and use other advanced settings. There are several options of viewing completed reports. Each report has a View Report option, and generated reports show reports by date as well as in-progress reports. Report format types include PDF, HTML, XML, and CSV. Let's view the user productivity report that we created earlier. And here are two commonly used sample reports: Cyber Threat Assessment and What is New. Charts library provides predefined chart definitions. Charts visually present data. You can modify an existing chart or create a new one. Macro library provides predefined datasets that can be readily used when creating reports. Macros represent a smaller group of the datasets. Both macros and datasets are essentially select statements that retrieve records based on specified criteria. When creating your own datasets, you can test the SQL query to ensure it is valid. Depending on the complexity and size of the dataset, some reports may take longer to complete. Here are some report optimization techniques that can be applied. Auto-cache option helps reduce the time to create reports based on large datasets. Auto-cache stores the query data in the hard drive cache. When a report is generated, this cache data is retrieved. This is much faster than assembling the dataset from scratch. The auto-cache option is auto-selected for scheduled reports. It is recommended to enable it for reports that take a long time to assemble. Another optimization approach is to schedule reports to run at low usage time. Scheduling reports helps automate report generation by running them at regular time intervals. If you are running a large number of similar reports for different FortiGates, you can further improve report generation time by grouping the reports together. Grouping reports reduces the number of hard cache tables and improves report completion time. In order to group reports, go to the System Settings and execute the following commands from the command line interface. In this example, we will add all reports containing the string security in the title to the same group. Other ways to improve report performance include: avoid running reports at the same time as log aggregation, log transfer, and avoid queries to external sources such as DNS or LDAP. Additionally, you can organize reports into folders, import and export reports, use the report calendar to view, edit, or disable upcoming report schedules, as well as delete or download completed reports. You can also create output profiles to send reports to different recipients. Thank you for watching.